Yeah, I'm here.
Okay.
Guys,
I should augmented.
5, 4,
Yes,
3, 2, 1.
Protect the furnace at all costs!
4. Felt.
Popping 2.
5,
1.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Bella's right. Bella's left. That's 10.
Breaking into.
Let this bomb go off.
5,
Kill the enemy.
4, 3,
Back.
2, 1.
Dropping.
Sorry.
Back.
Probably put some damage to the feldspar on the left
Yeah,
side.
clip off feld.
Bella's in 3.
Don't kill this guy.
Bella.
See breaking in 2.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Dropping.
Boys,
28. Back. Get rid of it.
I got
5,
Breaking
4,
into.
3,
Get rid of the back here.
1.
Dropping. Dropping.
Yes,
Like magic.
Last one.
we're done. Cut across.
Watch the guy.
Try to get this. Dispose sooner you got here if you can.
On back. Melee.
good damage.
Lots of
good
bomb
damage.
bags. Everyone, get on the elements.
Star's broken. So.
Can I get spell power?
second fight.
4 resources.
Spell power, please?
Counter melee.
It's up.
Got it, you got it.
Stop.
Get on the elementals now. Now.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Good. Next up,
Getting a new guard.
clear fire collars.
Hostile. Breaking guard in 2. 1.
You gotta go around on the left side.
Clear the fire collars, please.
I have fixates on me.
I believe.
Feldspar. Star is up. Star and X. Move them over, please. Get them both over.
I'm seeing the 2 guard.
We need to interrupt on the one that's on haywire.
3, 2, 1.
Back.
MC breaking 2.
One star on the mark. Quickly. Yeah, on the
dying.
elementals.
X is dying.
On elementals.
I have all fire.
Get it below 50. Time.
He's over there. Someone interrupt the burn next
Explode.
time. Interrupt the burn. I'll
Element.
run over now.
Elementalist, elementalist.
1.
Get X and star over. Get star over, Mythos.
Volatile.
Clean up fire collars now. Clean up fire collars.
Volatiles.
Get me
Please
a
strength.
It's explode.
Strength, please.
on the elementalist. Need rebuffs, please.
Yeah, good.
5,
Oh, exact.
3,
Shield
Took
stand.
that one too early.
1.
Put on.
Gotta get.
Die.
Die.
Sorry, move that back in. Move that back in. Interest, I'm sorry. Good.
Sorry about that.
I'll grab Rick. You ready to kill this?
Just breaking.
I'll grab them.
Element. Star. 5.
Wanna get these fire collars done or no?
Cross the sack.
Yeah, clean up fire collars.
Have full guard. This fight.
I have PS.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Star's
Did
going
it star
down.
down? Good star.
Target the elemental.
Exploding. Elementalist now.
PS.
78. Get across.
Yeah, fly crawler. That's smart.
Yes.
Who's bitch?
Star is on it.
Tides up.
We got a guard.
Just shoot Star.
Take it out.
Star. Just remove it.
2, 1.
It's on.
I got it. Cool.
It should be fine.
Have nothing heavy here.
Kill Elementalist now. Elementalist now. 87 heat.
Diva hold. That's right. Did we pick it up the boss first?
Push.
Fire collars? Maybe? I don't know.
Star. Moving the star.
Finish my guard. Please.
Yeah, clean fire collars, please.
He's in the thing right now, casting.
Spread.
Watch. Take it down.
I'm a bitch for any tank.
Still another fire collar. Clean it up.
It's ready to go meld.
Sorry.
Be clean on the melts, please. Watch the melt. Move the ball. Watch your 5-yard spread. If you have debuff, watch your 5-yard. Move the boss a lot. Move the boss a lot.
Move it out.
All the way across.
We have beers and eight.
Get those melts out clean, please. Watch your fixates. Stop moving around so much. Controlled move.
We have to res up.
We have amp up if you need it. Remember to
I
call
can
for
take
it.
O.
Good boss.
Let me
You
get you
alright?
first.
Call it.
Giving an export.
I got it.
Move up.
Gotta stack up more than healing ring.
Only the people that don't have fixate can step.
On your list for the people that got res, do you want me to do that?
Give it less than a minute though.
I know, but like, just
Yeah. Someone else less than.
someone else less than a minute, okay?
No.
Tank is called
Right
for
behind
I
us.
have it.
No, has
Watch your
areas.
5-yard. Watch your 5. Miley, continue to call that out, please. I can't see the saves from here.
Well, tell me.
Sit on it.
Don't move them any further.
Okay, I'll
We have a lot of room to work.
Watch out. Cross these and just in front of me after.
26 seconds until us.
100%.
Half PS available if anyone needs it.
Melt on van.
Scoot up,
Move.
guys.
14
You don't have a
seconds.
fixate move.
Just left it.
I got it.
I have to fix it.
7 seconds. I'm gonna.
Healing
I wanna hit the
Anti-life.
list.
Holy stack.
It's out. It's out.
Sorry, it's not.
Personal. Health.
Holy.
We're listing. Go.
God.
I don't have it. I don't.
Atrocity sec.
Got him.
Smoke on tanks.
Health bots. Personals. Devo.
Use whatever you
tanks.
can.
Fucking barrier.
Vigilance, Kaelin.
Stay alive. Stay alive. 5
Get in the barrier, get in the barrier.
Forward, please.
Heals, big heal.
Move. Tanks move.
Holy
That's
fuck.
a good fucking boss.
Oh my god.
Oh, shit. Fucking love
Amazing.
I wasn't recording. I'm such an idiot.
First time we saw that stage.